Here we have the Okuma lathe. Just single stepping the machine. The machine is under power, as you can see here. And I'll go right in here. Thank you.
Yeah, that's for your stock. This here will be for the cutoff, but I don't have anything there to cut it off.
Right, right.
That's furry.
Right, and here's the control. Yeah, that's fine. I just want to get a picture of the control. Everything functions on the lathe?
Yes.
Okay.
And it was just recentered. Now that finished the cycle of what it was supposed to do with cutting that spacer.
Got it, got it.
That'll go home.
Okay.
The machine was recentered. I noticed about 6 months ago that it was off.
Okay.
And probably 3 months ago we had the guy come out and recenter everything.
Got it. Okay. Well, that's good. That's good information. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, well, especially
chip conveyor, tailstock fully functional.
I keep this loose because we do so many different size materials, and when you clamp you have to move that. If it's doing a 1 inch or a 1.5 inch, you got to have different size clamp.
Got it.